Today I'm at the SAMS Institute in Scotland, where we're meeting with the team from the protozoa and algae collection, funded by NERC, so they've got 5-year funding there, and we're going to see how they cryopreserve using liquid nitrogen and what improvements they've made using one of our liquid nitrogen generators.
The culture collection of algae and protozoa is based at the Scottish Association for Marine Science. Fantastic location near Oban on the west coast of Scotland, and as you can see, wonderful views from the laboratories. So really rather nice place to work. Critical aspect of the institute used to control temperature and in some cases the light that samples are stored in. So as you can see here, it's one of the temperature control rooms. Some of these rooms are at 4 degrees centigrade. Some of the rooms are at higher temperatures, whatever's suitable for that particular sample. So basically ensuring samples are stored at optimum conditions is a critical aspect of the institute. Cryopreservation prevents genetic drift. Some of the samples at the institute have been there since 1974, so it's quite a critical aspect to their facilities. Prior to receiving the liquid nitrogen generator from Asynt, they had a tanker delivery of liquid nitrogen every 2 weeks to an outside storage facility. Proving quite costly. It was also the risk in winter that they may not get a delivery through thick snow, and the environmental footprint of the lorry itself. So it's worked out that over a period of 5 years, a liquid nitrogen generator would pay for itself. And that's exactly what it's doing. This unit's the LN60, now called the 65. 65 litres a day of production of liquid nitrogen and storage of 210 litres in its own built-in dewar. So as you can see, the size of 2 storage cabinets. With the manifold system options they have, their ability to refill easily with this lance, the dewars they use for storage of the samples. The manifold system also feeds into the laboratory next door directly, saving the movement of liquid nitrogen. In the gamma laboratory, they're looking for radiation from sediments, and the liquid nitrogen is used to cool the gamma detectors. Prior to the samples being stored in liquid nitrogen, they need to be cooled at a controlled rate. This device does that, again, still using liquid nitrogen as the cooling source.
So I hope that was an interesting video for you guys. If you're interested further in the SAMS Institute and what they do, please check the link below and you'll be able to look up exactly what they're doing here in more detail. If you'd like to know more about liquid nitrogen generators and how they can be implemented in your facility, then check the link below and drop us a line. Any questions? Thanks for watching.